Show you off in the Lambos out on Collins. I be.
Hello friends, welcome to Everything Unit. This is a special video in our channel which is an unboxing of Infinity Harmar JBL wireless headphones which is of Glide 510. In this video, let us see specifications and do unboxing, and I will say my initial impressions about this Infinity Harmar wireless headphones. Let's go. First of all, let us see the specifications. Here we have clear sound feature, which is clear and powerful sound from 36 mm high intensity magnet speakers drivers, which is in this Infinity wireless Glide 510 we are available with two 36 mm high speakers and a cushion comfortability of 69 mm. And let us see some more information about frequency response, that is 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and the weight is nearly 114 grams, which is very lightweight in that price range. And it supports Bluetooth 5.0, which is very speed and produce very less echo, and the maximum power output is 30 millivolt. Infinity Glide Harmar 510 assures that you can charge this Glide for 2 hours without any problem. Here we have international warranty of 1 year, and the MRP is around 3999, but in the Amazon at present you can offer this at a price of 1699. This might be available in an offer, please check in the description. And let us see some more features, that is here the headphones is a foldable and supports Bluetooth. Now let us do quick unboxing. This is how you can open, and this is how initially you will see Harmar 510 Infinity Glide headphones. Here you would have a manual guide and a warranty card, user manual and a warranty card. Here it shows the options how we can operate and the buttons and more about the comfort and the drivers used. And the next thing is, here it comes with a micro USB cable, so we can charge it without any problem if we are having any power bank or to a wall mount dock. Now let us see the overview of the Infinity Glide 510. In the first view, I can say this is very smooth, but the body is very hard as it is made of plastic, but it feels good. Here this is a foldable, so it is very happy, so we can carry in our traveling. This is very handy. These are rotatable, but only in unidirection, but not in other direction. And the cushions were very smooth when compared to other headphones that I have previously used, like Boat Rockers 550. Let's come to the buttons. In the left side, in the right side you are having no buttons, which is a sleek design, but in the left side you are having with a mic, a power button. Beside that we are having an LED. This power button will work in different functions, we will see in the next, and then volume up and down buttons. Now turn on the, here you have the power button, long press it for 1 second, this will come to the pairing mode, red and blue light. Now let us take a mobile. Here I am using a Realme X mobile. On the Bluetooth mode and search for the product. Here you can see available products are Infinity Glide 510. Let us connect it. Here you can see while in the pairing it is in the form of blue and red. After it gets paired, the light is off. Now let us see by playing a video or a music. Let us listen a song in the YouTube, which is a non-copyright song. Friends, I can say that the music is initial impressions very loud and very smooth to hear without any problem. And coming to the build quality, I think Infinity should increase the build quality according to me, because in that price range it is good, but we expect some more. Here you are having different head levels like 1, 3, 5 and 7, so you can adjust as of your wish. And coming to cushions, very smooth. And the drivers, as the drivers are 36mm, these will give very good sound, and the noise cancellation is also available, but it is not up to mark. Let us see them in the cons section. Hello friends, in this you have another feature, that is when you press volume up and down buttons, you will enter to the bass boost mode. You can observe the music. This is very crunchy, you know, and the melody is everything good. In this price range, I sincerely recommend this Infinity Glide 510 headphones. These are some of the commands or the button commands that can be used. Those are long press of power button gives on and off of the headset. In calling features, one time press of power button accepts the call. One time press of power button hang up the call, that means cut the call that is going on. And the long press of power button less than 1 second rejects the incoming call, so that we no need to accept the call. Continuous 2 times press of power button activates the voice assistant like Google and Siri. In multimedia, long press of volume plus button, that is volume up button, changes to the next track, while long press of minus button changes to the previous track. These are some of the features that are given in Glide 510. Within few days after testing, I will release my full review about this product, Infinity Glide 510. I think you like this video. Like, share and subscribe to Everything You Need. Thank you.